In this video, we will find out where the power supply comes from to the microprocessor through this wiring diagram. The most important in this wiring diagram is 6365 110 DC glass fuses, pressure switch, Vagos, K05 microprocessor. 110 DC power supply is required to start microprocessor. First of all, this power supply starts from 63 and 65 glass fuses. There will be 110 DC positive at 63 glass fuses and 110 DC negative at 65 glass fuses. First, let us know where the 110 DC positive supply goes at 63 glass fuse. From 63 fuse, 110 DC positive wire is split into two parts. One goes to 15 number terminal in K05 and the second to 41 Vago. From 41 Vago to pressure switch. When pressure switch activates, power supply reaches to 42 Vago. From 42 Vago to A1 terminal in K05. If K05 activates, the power supply transfer from A1 terminal to 18 terminal in K05. From 18 terminal, power supply reaches directly to 44 Vago. From 44 Vago to microprocessor. Next, let us see about 110 DC negative supply. 110 DC negative supply starts at 65 fuse. From there, the power supply goes to A2 terminal in K05. From there, the power supply will be reached Vago number 43. From there, power supply reaches to microprocessor